गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर, ओम गिरिजापति भवानी शंकर, जय शंकर शंकर जय ओम. Welcome, dear souls, to the International Yoga Day. Yoga is uniting humanity to be one with divinity, and unity, joining, yoking, becoming one is the key linchpin of the word yoga. And from me, this humble offering to all souls of humanity, this is the soul cry of the Siddhanath Yoga Parampara. Humanity, if there is to be peace on earth and goodwill to all mankind, we must all realize that humanity is our uniting religion, breath our uniting prayer, and consciousness our uniting God. Now, I have a concept which I'd like to share with all you souls. This concept is of the forming of a global community and the making of a world disciple. Now, what exactly is the making of a world disciple? The concept is that humanity, that is 7.6 billion people, are itself the world disciple in the making, uniting and purifying themselves through ever more expanded and rarer spheres of consciousness to get to the God essence which lies at the core of their own being. I know the concept is very lofty, but we'll make it simple. So the world disciple is humanity itself, consisting of the world disciple has in it each soul, which is each one of us. We are 7.6 billion souls, let's say approximately, and we collectively form the world disciples. So we are individual cells in the body of the world disciple. And as we go along the passage of time and the cycles of time, we evolve towards unity. This evolving towards unity, a becoming one, a forming of a global community, is the making of a world disciple. And this may be done by the cementing factor of the breath, because breath is our uniting religion. So dear souls, I exhort you to become a breatharian. Breathe. About 35 years ago, I had a concept called breathe, whereby the power of the breath, you could unite humanity. And I can offer my humble services to the whole of humanity if you are attentive to me, if you are focused on me with one intent. I can project my love, my life force energy into you and breathe through you all, so that we are all breathing collectively and our minds harmonize to one unity, to one humanity. This is the goal. And therefore, if we can use breath as the cementing factor for a unified understanding amongst the peoples of the nation, what a marvelous thing it would be. I did this at the United Nations, and as you breathe, you inhale love. Inhale with me. Binding humanity. Exhale with me. Loving humanity. Inhale with me. Binding humanity. Exhale with me. Loving humanity. Yes, exercises so simple as this could bind families, could bind communities, could bind nations, and could bind civilizations. But we must breathe in harmony, O children of the earth, O divine souls of this world. Be a breatharian. Breathe. So breathe is the essence of yoga. But if you add anything to the breath, breathe love, breathe good, no, just breathe. It's a lot of difference. Breathe, and breathe to unite as one family, as one consciousness. Humanity, our uniting religion. Breath, our uniting prayer. And consciousness, our uniting God. This is yoga, how I understand it. Dear brethren, dear sisters, They are souls of this earth.
अकाल मृत्युहरणं सर्वव्याधि विनाशनम्